What's going on, guys? I did a video where I showed you guys that you can use Stadia and stream to YouTube using your cell phone. But the thing is, I showed it working, but I didn't show how you actually get it working. So I'm gonna make this quick video just to show you guys how to do it from beginning to end. So stay tuned.
And now, your mama knows.
All right, check it out, guys. So I'm going to show you how you actually have to do everything step by step. So first thing you'll need is a controller. You could use a PlayStation controller, Xbox controller, pretty much any controller that could connect to your phone via Bluetooth. I'm using my PlayStation controller. As you can see right there, it says wireless controller connected. What I did was you hold down the PlayStation button and the share button. It starts flashing, and then you turn Bluetooth on, and it'll start scanning. It'll find your controller, and bam, you're all set. Now, I'm going to go to the app. Whoa, can't go to the app. Guys, this will not work in the app. So you don't go to the Stadia app. You actually go to Chrome. So you click on Chrome, and you go to Stadia. Now it's going to tell you you cannot use this, and you have to do it on the Stadia app or a computer. However, most phones are pretty much like a computer. So you go to the three dots in the upper right hand corner, and then you scroll down to where it says desktop site. So you click on that, and it literally turns it to the computer view. So remember, it won't work with the app, and as you can see, it just said my controller connected. But also this will not work on a phone without a controller, because the virtual controls that you could do on the app does not come up on the desktop view. All right, so let's just choose Avengers. That's a game I like to play a lot. So I'm going into Avengers. And remember, you have to go into a game, so it won't work unless you go into a game. Also, you need a controller, because there's no way to actually make the options pop up on the screen without a controller. All right, so anyway, you're gonna hit the PlayStation button, or you could call it the Stadia button for now. Gotta go down to where it says live stream, and it's still got touch control. So guys, you can still touch your phone. You're gonna hit stream directly to YouTube, and then you know, I'm just gonna leave it at let's see, I'll change the name. Now remember, guys, I'm in my car, so I'm literally using 4G, or I think I'm using 5GE, which isn't actually 5G. Also, don't be alarmed. You see how you can't see it at the very bottom to go? You have to turn your phone, and now you see where it says live stream. So you click live stream. I can turn my phone back, and guys, it's preparing my screen to take me online. So now I'm actually going to show you what it looked like when I was actually streaming the game live on my channel. So check this out. Well, guess what, guys? I'm streaming right now on my lunch break in my car, and look how amazing this look. Because remember, the thing with YouTube direct streaming on Stadia is the signal that Stadia is sending you, whether you got it in 720p, 1080p, 4K, that's the signal that everyone sees. Watch, I'm gonna try to run and drop kick somebody. You're gonna get the drop kick. Uh-oh, let me take him down real quick. Take that. She got her guns. Look, I could be destructive. Break some stuff. Again, I'm online right now streaming to you guys as I'm sitting in my car playing the game. I gotta say, that's pretty amazing. All right, watch this. She got her grappler hook. You could just yank to anything. All right, let's see. Let me just beat up one person here. You gotta get beat up. Here, I gotta show off for you. Ronda Rousey. Take this, Ronda Rousey. Ugh. All right, let's use that. All right, let me blast one more time. All right, got it. So anyway, I could pause the game. I could go back to my settings. You see that I'm still streaming. You know, microphone is on. Live streaming. What's going on, guys who are watching? Yeah, here we go. All right, guys. So that's how you stream Stadia to YouTube online via your mobile device. Yes, not using Wi-Fi, using your cellular service. So you could be anywhere, and you could not only with the power of Stadia play online, but you could stream as well. So being a streamer has never got more simple with Google Stadia. All right, guys. Well, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Help me get to my goal. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm at 866, I think. So, or 869. So I'm getting there. But take care. And as always, and now your mama knows.
And now your mama knows.